So, how do you take a really smart general purpose AI and turn it into a laser focused financial wizard? It's kind of like turning a gifted do it all college grad into a world class brain surgeon. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how that happens. Right, let's get into it. How do you actually build a financial genius from the ground up? I mean, what does it really take? Well, it's not some kind of magic trick. It's actually a very methodical process of training, tuning, and of course, testing. And that whole journey, it all starts right here. You can think of this as mission control for the entire operation. And here it is. Welcome to the FinTune Gemma dashboard. This is our command center. And what's so great about it is that it lays out the whole process in this super clear, transparent pipeline. You can see everything from gathering the raw data all the way to evaluating the final model. Every single step is organized and totally visible. Okay, so to build a great AI specialist, you really need two fundamental things: the right knowledge to learn from, the textbooks, and a powerful brain to do all the learning. This is where the data meets the model. To become a true expert, our AI needs the ultimate textbook, and we're feeding it a massive amount of data. I'm talking 5 years of historical stock prices, complex technical indicators, really dense SEC filings, and tons of news archives. It's basically the collective financial wisdom of the last half-decade, all being poured into this model. And here's our star student, Google's Gemma 2B. This thing is a beast. It's a seriously powerful base model with an absolutely staggering 2.5 billion parameters. This is the raw intellectual horsepower we're starting with, and it's all ready to be shaped into an expert. All right, so we've got the textbook and we've got the student. Now it's time for class to begin. Welcome to the training engine. This is where the real transformation starts. Now, I know this chart might look a little complex, but it's actually telling a really beautiful, simple story. See that falling blue line? That's what we call a loss curve. And in plain English, you're literally watching the model get smarter in real time. With every single step, its mistakes go down as it learns to think more and more like a top-tier financial analyst. Now, a process this intense, as you can imagine, requires some serious muscle. This isn't happening on a laptop, that's for sure. It's being powered by a Google Cloud TPU v4 cluster. This is the high-performance hardware, the engine room, that's driving this incredible transformation from a generalist to a specialist. And this number right here just brilliantly illustrates the power and efficiency of that hardware. 89.6% core utilization. What that means is there's almost no wasted energy. It's just pure, focused computational power, all dedicated to making our models smarter, faster. Okay, class is over. The model has completed its training. Now for the moment of truth, the final exam. Let's see how our new financial genius actually performs when we put it to the test. First up, accuracy. It scored a 91.2% on the FinQA benchmark. Now, this isn't just any old test. It's a really rigorous exam designed specifically for financial question answering. To put that in perspective, a score that high shows it can deeply understand and reason with complex financial data pretty much on par with human experts. It's a huge deal. Next, let's talk about speed. 145 milliseconds for inference latency. So why does this matter? It means you get critical, complex insights almost instantly. And in the fast-paced world of finance, that kind of speed can be the difference between catching a huge opportunity or being left in the dust. And this might be the most important number of all, a 0.04% hallucination rate. This means the model is incredibly reliable and trustworthy. It's not just making things up. In finance, trust is absolutely non-negotiable. And this number right here shows our model has definitely earned it. And if you need to see it to believe it, this chart says it all. The blue bars show our new, fine-tuned specialist. And just look at how much better it is than the original model. Across every key metric, accuracy, latency, reliability, the specialist just massively outperforms its old self. The transformation is a quantifiable, no doubt about it success. So, we've seen the impressive report card. Now let's see the graduate on its first day on the job. It's time to put this specialist to work on a real-world task. And here it is in action. Just look at the query it's handling. It's being asked about combining a high RSI with a bearish MACD signal. Now, these are complex technical indicators that traders use all the time to gauge a stock's momentum. This isn't a simple trivia question. It requires a deep, nuanced understanding of financial analysis. And our fine-tuned model, it's ready with an expert-level answer. So we've seen how the right data, A powerful model and an efficient training process can create a specialized intelligence that's capable of tackling expert-level problems. It really makes you think.